Welcome to Tristan.school. Let's talk about the conjugation of regular verbs in German. Don't worry, you will get it in no time. It's important to know that all German verbs end with the two letters en in their infinitive form. The infinitive form is the basic form of a verb before any changes for tense or person. In German, you can recognize the infinitive form of a verb by its en ending. This is a helpful rule when you're learning German verbs, as it makes it easier to identify them in sentences or dictionaries. Magic of conjugation now begins by removing the en and replacing it with new endings. These endings that we add are like gifts to the verb. And these endings are e, st, t in the singular, and en, t, en in the plural. With these simple steps, conjugating regular verbs in German becomes as easy as reading a bedtime story. Remember, the endings for regular verbs in German are e, st, t, en, t, en. Don't forget to sign up now to secure your free lesson. We're proud of you.